In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a table in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to rearrange your tables to organize your document better, this guide is just for you. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Docs and access the document where you'd like to move your table. If you haven't inserted a table yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through that process now. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down list that appears, select Table. Here, you'll be able to customize the table to fit your needs by choosing the number of rows and columns you'd like. Once you've created your table, go ahead and fill it in with your data. It's important that you have your data ready before you start moving the table, as it helps to see how the table fits within your document layout. Now that you have your table set up, let's get to the task of moving it. Here's a bit of context to understand. Google Docs can be a little tricky because you might end up moving just a row instead of the whole table if you're not careful. To avoid this mix-up, you need to identify the correct area to grab so you can move everything as a single unit. When you click on the table, you'll notice a pin icon, a plus sign, and a set of vertical dots appear at different points. Here's where you need to focus. If you click on the row, you may see these items, and if you attempt to drag using those 6 vertical dots that appear next to a row, you'll end up moving and rearranging just that row, which is not what we want. Instead, to move the entire table, find the small grid icon made up of 6 vertical dots located in the upper left corner of the table. This grid is your key to successfully moving everything. Click and hold on that icon, and you'll see the entire table highlighted, signaling that it's selected correctly. Now simply drag it to the desired location within your document. As you move your table, you should see it reposition smoothly to where you want it. And there you go. With just these few steps, you can easily move a table around in Google Docs to organize your content more effectively. It's a simple skill, but incredibly handy. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.